Hello guys, welcome back to Sibling Life. This summer many exciting things have taken place, like the buds about which we had posted earlier have finally bloomed and they are so beautiful. But that is not what the video is about. So it's finally summer and it's time to beat the heat with some nice ice cream. So let's make mango ice cream together.
So to make mango popsicle, we need a half-ripe mango, lemon, rock salt. You can even use normal table salt, sugar and mixer grinder. Now to make it, we first need to microwave the mango. So you can also
eat us and then enjoy.
They say the best taste in a pudding comes only when we eat it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share it to your friends. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you, and we will meet you in the next one.